Running a cleaning or household service business is no easy feat, especially when you're juggling schedules, client communication, and payments all at once. But what if there was a smarter, smoother way to manage everything in one place? Let me introduce you to SimplyBook.me, the all-in-one booking and payment platform designed to simplify your business and help you shine. Clients can book your services anytime from any device. Whether it's a recurring weekly clean or a last-minute deep clean, you'll never miss a booking. Create custom service categories, like kitchen deep clean, upholstery cleaning, or post-construction cleanup. Even let clients add extras like eco-friendly products or stain removal. Sync with external Google or Outlook calendars so your personal and work schedules never clash. Reduce no-shows with automatic email and SMS reminders for clients and for you. Take payments or deposits online via Stripe, PayPal, and other processors. Don't have a website? No problem. SimplyBook.me gives you a customizable professional booking page that matches your brand. With SimplyBook.me, cleaning professionals just like you are cutting back on admin time and booking more clients with less hassle. Whether you're a solo cleaner or run a full team, this platform scales with you. Ready to take your cleaning service to the next level? Try SimplyBook.me for free and see why it's the perfect solution for personal meetings and household services.